Introducing Thor's AT2 Apex TWIN, which is part of the Apex range. This video will explain the benefits of the Apex TWIN two-way mains surge protector and filter. The Apex TWIN is a filtered and protected two-outlet product. It has a class-leading 2,295 joules of surge protection and less than a nanosecond reaction time, which allows it to provide the best surge protection available for your equipment. There are two power outlets on the board, both of which are spaced to allow large plugs and plug packs to be connected with ease. It has an earth detection and active power LED, so that you know there is power to the board, and a 1 meter cord with a space-saving flat plug that allows you to easily connect to the power points. The Apex TWIN can be mounted into a cupboard or shelf using the template on the bottom of the packaging. The Apex TWIN has a unique circuit design, which allows the board to divert the bulk of the excess voltage via the earth line. This means not only are your products kept safer, but your protection will last far longer than other brands. The Apex TWIN is suitable for all types of AV equipment, such as TVs, amplifiers, soundbars, and so on, and can be used with any product that plugs into mains power, including white goods and appliances. The Apex TWIN has a passive filtration technology that cleans around 60% more unwanted electrical noise compared to Australian industry standards. It will ensure your equipment receives the clean power it needs and can help to reduce or eliminate a lot of different issues, such as pixelating or flickering in screen technology, hisses, pops and hums in audio systems, data losses in streaming interruptions, and errors or glitched programs on appliances. Did you know that the filtration on the Thor Apex range works both ways? It not only stops noise from robbing you of equipment performance, it also stops your connected devices from contaminating the power for the rest of your house and equipment. On top of this, the Apex range has a 6-year replacement warranty and a 3-year $300,000 connected equipment warranty, giving you maximum peace of mind, knowing that your equipment is protected. Thor Technologies is an Australian company who produces premium, innovative power protection and filtration products. We control the whole process and make products from concept and design using the expertise of Australian and New Zealand engineers to creation and distribution of shelf-ready products. Some of our products have patents, and we are recognised as leading edge in our industry. We have been focusing solely on power protection and filtration since our inception in 2001. For more information, please head to our website www.thortechnologies.com.au. Thanks for watching.